Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramashish Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about electromagnet and various uses of electromagnet. In this video, we are going to discuss about electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? So, the phenomenon of producing electric current by moving a magnet near a coil in a closed circuit is called electromagnetic induction. It means when we move a magnet near a coil in closed circuit, there will be electric current produced in the coil. The great discovery of electromagnetic induction was done by the great scientist Michael Faraday through a series of successful experiments. The discovery of electromagnetic induction brought a revolution in the scientific world. Most of the devices like electric generator, transformer, these are operated on the principle of electromagnetic induction. After that, we will come to know about Faraday's experiment of electromagnetic induction. Faraday performed an experiment to show that electric current is produced when we move a magnet near a closed circuit near a coil. Means moving a bar magnet towards or away from the circuit, the electric current will produce in the circuit. Here I have drawn three diagrams to show the Faraday's experiment. Consider a coil C with number of turns. Here it is a bar magnet and a galvanometer is attached to the circuit. Galvanometer is a device which is used to indicate the electric current in the circuit. First of all, if the magnet is in the rest position, there will be no current produced in the circuit. When we move the magnet towards the coil, means we are taking to this side, so there will be current produced in the circuit and there will be deflection in galvanometer in one direction. When we move the magnet away from the coil, that time also there will be deflection in galvanometer, but it will be opposite side, means the current produced will be of opposite direction. After that, observation of Faraday's experiment. When a magnet is moved toward the coil, then more magnetic lines of force pass through the coil. Means there will be electromagnetic force on the ends of the coil. At that time, the electric current will be induced. Electric current will be produced. When a magnet is moved away, then magnetic flux line will decrease, and that time also the electromagnetic force will induce the electric current in the coil. And when the magnet is stationary. Means if magnet is not moving, there will be no magnetic lines of force, means constant magnetic lines of force, and that time electromagnetic force will not generate the induced current or electric current. The after that we will come to know that what are the factors that affect the electromagnetic induction. Factors affecting the electromagnetic induction. First is strength of magnet. Means if the magnet is strong, so the induced current will be large, induced current will be more. Second one is number of turns in coil. The induced electric current also depends on the numbers of coil. If the numbers of turns in coil is more, the electric current generated will be more. Third one is the relative speed between magnet and coil. If the speed of moving magnet near the coil is high, that time the electric current will be produced in large amount. That's all for today. The next things will be described in next video. Thank you.